Hello friends, today I will discuss the gate awareness for mechanical engineering. In this video, I will cover purpose of gate, CBT, notification, benefits, type of questions, eligibility, pattern of the examination, number of candidates registered, appeared, and the number of candidates qualified and the cutoff marks for various categories, first rank, national level, and score, and the way of preparation will be discussed. In this gate examination, only application, analysis, comprehension, recall, and synthesis of the candidate will be tested. The full form for the gate is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It is a computer-based test, and there may be set 1 paper, set 2 paper, set 3 paper depending upon the number of candidates registered. And the benefits of GATE is the score of the GATE is considered for higher studies in foreign universities like Nanyang Technological University, National University of Singapore. Similarly, it is also considered for jobs in MNCs, public sector units, for ph.d. admission and M.tech admissions. The notification for the gate normally comes in the last week of August, and last date for submission or receiving the application will be normally second week of October, and there will be time for correction of data in the application third week or fourth week of October, and the date of examination normally conducted in the first week to second week of February. In general, the fee etc. will be considered here. For general category and OBC, the gate fee is 1800, whereas for SC, ST, physically handicapped, and for female, it is 900 rupees for application. And the number of attempts admitted are unlimited for all the categories, and the eligibility to write the examination is any engineering degree or studying third year B.tech. And this gate examination is conducted every year, and there is a negative marking for multiple choice questions and the numerical answer type of questions, that is NOTS. And the negative marking is like this: 1/3 of allotted marks to the question. And the gate score is valid for 3 years, and if the candidate gets the admission in M.tech, then he will receive the 12,400 rupees as stipend per month for 2 years. Similarly, PhD scholars, means people admitted in PhD scholars, will get the stipend for the first 2 years 37,000 per month, and for the next 3 years 42,000 per month, and annual research grant is for 1.7 lakhs. In addition to this, if the candidate gets the rank below 200 and score more than 750, in that case they are eligible or they will get the jobs in the public sectors, that is Maharatna companies, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited and NTPC, Coal India Limited, similarly SAIL, ONGC, GAIL. In all these companies, the starting salary per month is 60,000. The type of questions that comes are 1 mark questions will be 30, whereas 2 mark questions are 35, and total marks will be 100. Multiple choice questions, they are called MCQs. Only one One is correct answer for these questions. MSQs means multiple selective questions. This needs select all right answers, otherwise 0 marks will be awarded. And for this there is no negative marking. There is a third type of questions, that is NATS, numerical answer type of questions. So they are nothing but fill up the blanks type questions. And for this there is a negative marking, that is 1/3 negative marking. Similarly for multiple choice questions also. And duration of M.tech course is 2 years. And coming to the subjects in general, and the questions distribution and marks are like this. General studies, normally 10 questions will come and the total marks awarded for those 10 will be 15. And coming to the engineering mathematics and core engineering, put together 55 questions will come. And normally engineering mathematics will get the 13 marks weightage, whereas the core engineering get the weightage of 72 marks. So total marks will become 100. And the examination is conducted every year. And duration of examination is 3 hours. Next, question distribution subject wise for the last 3 years is like this. Engineering mathematics in 2022 1 mark questions are 4, whereas 2 mark questions are 4 and total marks are 12, whereas in 2023 1 mark questions are 5 and 2 mark questions are 4, total marks are 13, and in 2024 1 mark questions are 3 and 2 mark questions are 7 and total marks are 17. Similarly, engineering mechanics, so 1 mark questions are 2 and 2 mark questions are 2 and total marks are 6, whereas in 2023 1 mark question is only 1, 2 mark questions are 2 and total marks are 5. Similarly, in 2024 1 mark questions are 1 and 2 mark questions are 3 and total marks are 7. Next subject, strength of materials. In 2022 1 mark questions are 3, whereas 2 mark questions is 1 and total marks are 5. Similarly, in 2023 1 mark questions are 3, 2 mark questions are 2 and total marks are 7. And in 2024 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions are 2 and total marks are 5. Similarly, theory of machines and vibration. In 2022 first 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 6, whereas in 2023 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 4 and total marks are 10. In 2024 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 5, total marks are 12. Similarly, for the subject design of machine elements, in 2022 1 mark questions are 0, whereas 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 4. In 2023 1 mark questions are 4, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 8. And in 2024 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 1 and total marks are 3. And fluid mechanics, in 2022 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark question is 2 and total marks are 5. In 2023 1 mark question is 2, 2 mark questions are 4, total marks are 10. In 2024 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 6. Then heat transfer subject. In 2022 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 8. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 6. And in 2024 1 mark question is 1, 2 mark questions are 2, total marks are 5. And next, another subject, thermodynamics, IC engines, refrigeration and power plant engineering. In 2022 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 7 and total marks are 16. In 2023 1 mark questions are 4, 2 mark questions are 3, total marks are 10. In 2024 1 mark questions are 2, 2 mark questions are 4, total marks are 10. And next subject, materials, manufacturing and industrial engineering. In 2022 1 mark questions are 9, 2 mark questions are 7, total marks are 23. And in 2023 1 mark questions are 6, and 2 mark questions are 5 and total marks are 16. In 2024, 1 mark questions are 6, 2 mark questions are 7 and total marks are 20. General aptitude. 1 mark questions are 5, 2 mark questions are 5, total marks are 15. In 2023, 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 5, total marks are 15. Similarly, in 2024, 1 mark questions 5, 2 mark questions 5 and total marks are 15. And if you look at this, 1 mark questions are totally 30 questions and 2 mark questions are 35 and total marks are 100 every year like this. Now let us see the statistics of number of candidates registered, appeared, qualified and the category wise cutoff marks. So in 2024, the number of candidates registered for the GATE mechanical is 83,114, whereas the candidates appeared are only 65,546, and out of this only 11,922 people were qualified. In the general category, the cutoff mark was 28.6, whereas for OBC it is 25.7. For others, SC, ST, PH, it is 19 marks cutoff. Whereas in 2023, number of candidates registered as 82,233 and the number of candidates appeared are 63,489 and the number of candidates qualified are 11,401 and the cutoff mark for general category for qualifying is 28.4 and for OBC it is 28.4 and for SC, ST and PH is again 28.4. And similarly in 2022 the number of candidates registered were 1,26,979 whereas the number of candidates appeared for the examination is 89,567 and out of this 15,282 candidates qualified and the cutoff mark for the general, OBC, SC, ST and PH is same, that is 28.1, 28.1, 28.1. Next, coming to the rank. In 2024, national first rank maximum marks were 84.67 and the score is 1000. Whereas in 2023, first rank maximum marks are 90.67 and the score is 1000. And in 2022, first rank maximum marks were 90.05 and the score was 1000. Next, how to prepare for this examination? There are 3 stages. In stage 1, first materials should be identified. That is textbooks, thermodynamics. Authors are PK, Nog and Sengel and Bowles. Similarly, refrigeration and air conditioning, CP Arora and Belensi. Next, power plant engineering, it is R. Yadav, PK Nog. Next, heat and mass transfer, JP Holloman, Jonas Sengel. Similarly, for IC engines, the book is V. Ganeshan and Mathur. Similarly, fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines, it is K. Subramaniam and Co. And similarly, engineering mechanics, it is Miriam Craig and Hibler and Co. Next, strength of materials, it is M. Gere and Hibler and Co. Similarly, machine design, it is V.B. Bandari and Sigle. And next, theory of machines, S.S. Ratan and Sigle, E. Ghosh and Malik. Similarly, manufacture engineering, it is Kalpak Jain, Ghosh and Malik and P.N. Rao. Next, industrial engineering, it is Hira and Gupta, O.P. Khanna. Engineering materials, W.D. Kellister. Similarly, there are books like a formula book on mechanical engineering by Made Easy. Similarly, engineering mathematics summary book by Made Easy. And follow the general aptitude lectures by NPTEL and general aptitude book by Agarwal. And for English, follow the YouTube Vasista 360 degrees. Next, stage 2, concepts should be noted. For this, use the textbooks, NPTEL lectures and other videos if necessary. And after using this, make the detailed notes, and then from that you make the short notes. Next, practice previous GATE, IES, IAS, RRB, JEE questions. In next stage 3, plan. So you should follow the plan, not the mode. So in this, daily 2 hours should be spent for 3 months to complete one subject. And next, to make the detailed notes. From that, again make the summary notes, and have the one on every holiday in a week. Do revision half a day using summary notes. Similarly, buy and practice previous GATE question papers with solutions book, at least for the last 19 years, published by Yes Academy, Made Easy, GK, Tata Publishers. There are many books available. In these books, chapter-wise question distribution for the past 19 years is covered. Let me summarize once. In this video, we discussed about the abbreviation of GATE, purpose of it, what is CBT, and general notification time, benefits of the GATE, and type of questions that appears and pattern of the examination, and the question distribution subject wise weightage, and the eligibility to write the examinations, and the number of candidates appeared for the past 3 years, and the number of candidates qualified, and similarly the cutoff marks for various categories, and national first rank candidate maximum marks and score is covered. Similarly, the way of preparation is also covered, and we also saw that the aim of the GATE is to know the application, analysis, comprehension, recall and synthesis capacity of the student using the computer based test.